Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can also fully or partially lock a layer to protect its contents. When you lock layers, a lock icon will appear to the right of the layer name within the Layers panel. The lock icon will appear with a small pixel image next to it when only the transparent pixels within an image are locked, and it will appear as a single, larger lock icon when all pixels within the layer are fully locked. To lock pixels in a layer, first select the desired layer in the Layers panel. Then select what kind of a lock you want to place on the pixels in the layer. To lock all the pixels in the layer, click the Lock All Pixels button in the toolbar at the top of the Layers panel. To instead lock only the transparent pixels within a layer, click the Lock Transparent Pixels button in the toolbar at the top of the Layers panel. To unlock the locked pixels within a layer, click the same Lock button that you originally used to lock the pixels in the layer once again.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.